yesterday we received the ambassador kit, and we're going to run through with you shortly. Meanwhile, I just have to say the magic word, Booyah Shaka. Voila! Right guys, check this out. See how cool is it with all these goodies that I get to work with. Okay, here we go. Let's go through some of the items here. Which one should we start with? Obviously, I think we're going to start with the camera, and let's see what's inside the box. So at the same time we're doing unboxing, I have my so in the box, obviously we have the camera, we have standard battery, one body and one lens. Okay, inside here I bet is the all the accessories and the casing as well. Mind you, this is not a waterproof casing, yeah. It's just the normal casing to protect the body. Some of the clamps and clips have the quick menu. Just a cloth for you to clean up the lenses. A couple of stickers in there as well. But that's the package for the Insta360 1R. Oh, just too many stuff to talk about, guys. Just too many. So I'm just going to be as briefly as possible. So next we're gonna go through basically the accessory stuff. So here, what do we have here? Let's start with this. Basically, this is just all-purpose tripod, and very useful, especially when you are on your own. So this can come really handy. A tripod is always very useful for me. And in here, what do we have? Selfie stick. Am I right? Yeah, it is a selfie stick, which is again very handy. Again, if you like to travel on your own, so this is another tool that I think you should get as well, because like I said, just as handy as the tripod. Next is the basically this is a bracket where you have it double-sided tape on your inside your car, and then you mount the bracket on top of this. Basically, that's what it is, like this. Just a bracket, just a holder, just a bracket. This is just the lens cap for you to protect the lens, and this is interesting. We call it the bullet time cord. So this is one of the accessories where it can make your video look really cool. So you attach this to your camera, and then you swing them about like 360 degrees. So in return, you will capture the moment like a drone that's flying you around over your head 360 degrees. So footages that caught using the bullet time cord is quite amazing. These are just casing. This is also very useful, especially when you have an external mic like the one that I'm using right now. So with this microphone, this is a wireless microphone by Rode, you need a mic adapter which that connect this to any device. Your handphone, could be another camera, so therefore you can capture all your audio. We have two of that, and then here we have extra battery pack. This is good. This is a booster battery base. This is actually twice the power of the ordinary battery. So if you have a long day out, say you have plenty of video to shoot, so this one will really come handy because it actually gives the extra juice that you needed. What do we have here? Fast charger. Again, this is very useful. As you all know, it takes time to charge the battery, so if you have a fast charger, this will also make life a lot easier and allow you to speed up your work process as well. And this is another selfie stick, and we have the carry case here as well. Okay, this is the adapter for X2 adapter microphone, basically. Very puny, so gotta handle it with care, and basically for this camera. Yeah. Lastly is the this extended edition selfie stick. It's really amazing. It's 300 centimeter long, which you can extend. It's made of carbon fiber, and right over here, this is 300 cm extended selfie stick. Really long. Okay, and it's made of carbon fiber, so it's cool stuff. Also used as a tripod, which we are currently using it as a tripod, not just a selfie stick. Next, we also have the invisible selfie stick. So this one basically make you look really cool. So when you use the stick, basically, obviously, that's why it's called invisible, so that you don't get to see the stick. That's what it meant. We're going to talk about the Insta1 X2, and this is a pure 360 as compared to the Insta360 1R, which is a 2-in-1. So with this, strictly for you to record in 360 mode only. It's 360, 1x2, basically only shot and record in 360 mode basically. Same thing, we have a USB cable, and of course with 361R, you have the option to add in the 1 inch. This is the one, Insta360 This is the 1 inch edition, which allow you to record in 5K mode. So this is an optional kit to go with the 1R. Okay, having a camera is one thing, but also you need a casing to protect your camera. This is the 1x2 camera case protector, and it's made of aluminium. Really cool stuff. And it's pretty lightweight as well. Last but not least, we have the suction cup. This is very useful, especially for me. I spend a lot of time at the racetrack. This comes really handy. It allows me to just quickly have it in my car and anywhere on the windscreen. And voila, it's done. And then you just mount a camera in there. Now all that said, we've gone through very briefly with all the equipment and the cameras. So next, all I need to do is to put all this stuff to the test, and we'll come back to you with all the nice and amazing footages. So see you soon. Bye.